outside, man. Friday evening, just got off work, very excited. Driving over to Vero tomorrow, going out on a charter. Shout out to my cousin Chad for setting this all up. One of his buddies doing a deep sea charter out of Vero. So pumped, going with my uncle, my cousin, a couple of my cousin's friends and stuff. I've heard great things. Been seeing a lot of crazy fish that this captain has been catching. His name is Jordan, and at the end of this video, I'm sure we'll throw his info out there for whoever might want to book a trip with him. Guy has been catching all kinds of stuff. You look at his Instagram, it's madness. So I'm super pumped. We're gonna be shooting some video, hopefully catching some big salty fish, man, some big salty beasts, and you know what, hopefully taking a few home for dinner. So anyways, I'm so pumped. We're heading there now, and tomorrow, next time you see me, I'll be out on the water. So right there, that's the bait clump.
That's a little bit of
little bait clump. All right, that's a little bait clump.
Or...
All right, Andrew's on with the Sabike rig. We got bait.
Woo! First of the day.
First of the day. We had to pull out to a deeper spot and drop down to 80 on a wreck.
That's it, just like you did before.
Nice.
Oh, that's tambourine. 2 rods. Nice.
Oh, nice.
Snapper baits. Bring them over right now.
Andrew refusing to be denied. What do we got?
Blue runner.
Oh, very cool.
Big blue runner, yeah. Okay.
Oh man, is this the smallest bait fish yet?
That's good though. That's good.
All right. Little grunt?
Yep.
Sweet.
Yep. Oh, that's a
remora?
Yeah.
Nice.
Here he comes.
What do we got?
Probably
We got
grunt.
some remora around here too.
Nice little grunt, candy size.
I kept trying to like let line out, make sure I was on bottom.
Yeah.
But I know what you mean. There shouldn't be slack. It should be like
Yeah, you should
a
just-
barely bit of slack as soon as you hit it. Yeah, you're bumping it.
You
Right.
just want to do that.
I mean, I don't need them.
Because all the hooks above it
Yeah.
are dancing.
Right.
You know, and they're dancing. They're putting on a show for those. Oh, there you go. Was that 2? You got 2.
All right, look at that.
Oh yeah, bring it in.
Hey, those are cigars.
You can get out.
That top bait right there, do not let that bait fall out. That's gonna catch fish. The runners.
Oh yeah,
Those are gonna catch.
that's when you're gonna catch some monsters with those.
They wore out catching these for
Chad's letting you get tired out, Chad.
man. Wait till you see what eats these.
Yeah, right?
You think that fish is big?
Big baits, big bites, baby. What do we got here?
That's a sharker.
Oh man, look at that. So that's a blue runner. Oh, a couple of them.
That's what you said to do. That's what you said.
Blue runner.
Blue runner.
Nice. You're good. There we go. Look at all that. Successful bait run.
Don't touch the grass.
Oh, we got something.
Yep, it's in here.
First real fish of the day. Are you nervous you're gonna screw this up, Uncle Charlie? Oh, okay.
And you're gonna video it if I do. I know.
Oh, you're on video, pal. Win, lose, or draw, baby.
Keep the pressure on it.
All right.
Walk over here.
Let him walk.
Steve, just keep his head into that number.
It's gonna be golf green still, isn't he?
He's gonna run.
Barracuda.
Yep. You're watching those teeth, so just want to walk up the gunnel, walk all the way up this way. Keep going, all the way up the bow foot.
All right.
Look
Yeah,
at
man.
those teeth.
That's the mouth only a mother could love right there.
Oh,
How many times you been gotten? Once or twice? Oh man, yeah.
Crank.
get it, guy.
There he is.
Crank. Don't stop. Come on.
There you go. Oh, he goes.
Oh,
I've been there.
Crank. Come on, man.
I've been there. You got a stress test. That'll do.
Crank, dude.
No belt, huh?
Oh, man. That's for girls.
You want a belt?
What'd you say?
That's for girls.
oh, guy. Come on, you're letting him win.
I'm not.
Phone thing? Phone thing?
No, I didn't bring my bag. I got the belt though.
Come on, man. Get him up, dude. You gotta pull him up, dude.
Oh Man, look at that guy.
You got a reel, he's gonna dog.
I'm trying to reel and freaking pull this shit.
Just like that.
God damn. Kidding?
Oh.
You're kidding.
You gotta turn them, dude. Once you get them going, you gotta crank, dude. There it is. Is that you?
Crank.
Lift the rod.
That's it. Now you got
Keep the
him.
rod tip up. There you
Good
go.
luck. Good luck. See you in a little while.
Come on, you pussy.
Yeah. You were telling me about all those muscles you had before. Where are they?
What a great fisherman you are.
Yeah. Where's that 8-pack? Dude, that's all straight beard going.
It's in a cooler.
There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah, real. You gotta crank, baby. You gotta just like say fuck you. Don't let him get to you.
Well, you can't lose him now.
Yeah, right now he's stomping on your head, so you gotta come back. This is like cage match shit.
I think the fish just parted, Chad.
Yeah, this is
Did the
like
air bubble come up?
you think you got him, and he's like, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, watch this.
Wait till I give you my elbow to the head. Come on, crank. You can't be tired. You only got a little sweat.
Just like WWE, man.
You say
Yeah, come on, man. This is like carrying the body.
Very
right?
positive, very Phil Jackson positivity.
That guy in the other boat's
guy's
about
motivational.
60 years
Kicking your
old
ass.
over there.
Look at him.
Yeah, he is. He's kicking your ass.
His reel's bigger over there, though. I don't know
In
if
2
that
minutes,
matters.
He's gonna bite his lip off.
Got him. Keep
There you go. There you go. Now
Is
you
he
got
coming up?
him. Once you turn him. Oh!
Oh, guy!
Ow!
Put right where you got it.
Just right where I got it.
Yeah. Put that. You want to put that lever up and gauge it.
Sorry. There it is. There we go.
Put it up.
Real!
I gotta get it on camera. Come on. Oh, Jesus.
Gotta get him up. Gotta get him up. Crank.
That's it. That's it. There you go. You can turn.
Oh, shit.
Oh, man.
Go. Hold on. Go on, put it back in.
There we go.
Go.
That's it, real. That's keep real.
Maybe on the wreck.
No, you see how you feel? Oh, no, that's a fish.
That's a fish.
Yeah, I know, right?
See, I'm glad I didn't talk shit to you, Chad.
Crank. You gotta crank. Gotta get him up.
There you go.
There we go.
Go. Real.
Real. Wreck now.
Oh, shit.
Go this real.
Real. There you go. Real. You got to help you out.
Thanks, guys. See, I didn't help you. You got a little assist with
I
Chad.
want to get a show with
Oh,
Hey,
shit.
you filming this right now?
Yeah.
It's a two-man job? Here, he's holding it for him. Here, let me hold it too. I didn't know it was that big, huh? It takes 4 hands? You good, bud?
They're better than 2 old crusty hands.
You got him away from the leg. We're good now.
I tell you, you're going to feel your heart
You
pumping.
see the size of this shit. Big girl? There you go. Watch your head. You get pumping crank now. Pump. Good. Good? How's it on?
Fucking tired.
Anybody see color yet?
How old are you?
41.
Yeah. Try it at 62.
Just don't let the line touch the boat, whatever you do, okay?
Okay.
You got it, Chris. You got it.
You got him now, yeah.
Come on, man.
This is where it separates the men from the boys.
Right? You still got about 100 yards.
What is that supposed to mean?
That's
Still got another.
a fish. It's either the fish or you. Separates the men from the boys.
So when the line touches the boat,
Yeah.
you want to boat with it? Got that nice gun on the way you can put the knees on. You see color yet?
Nope.
Still don't even see color yet?
Nothing.
Hey, Jordan.
Yeah.
I pulled this down tight so it won't spin.
You want to
That fish tired? Who's more tired?
Me.
Yeah.
No doubt.
So they had a grunt.
100%.
With help.
With help, yeah.
There's our first sign. We're almost there.
You got mono yet?
Yep, we're on
Oh,
motto.
you should be able to start seeing color now. Everybody sees color down there?
I thought I saw something, but I'm seeing shit.
I'm gonna have to get in between you guys so you have that. He's getting close.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Here you go, here you go. Here you go, keep going. Oh, no, I see it. Holy shit, dude.
Oh, yeah.
There he comes, oh yeah.
Ooh, that's a big fish, dude. That is a big motherfucker.
Yep.
That's what's called a full grown one.
You alright? Yeah. I'm just being an asshole, get my camera reset.
Let that line touch, bro. Okay, you're almost there. He's doing the pinwheels now.
That was awesome, man.
Look at that thing.
That's all right. So
Look
just
at
don't
that thing.
reel that swivel up to the guy.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So,
Watch that.
Bring it over here. Bring it over here. He'll get it. He'll get it. Go down.
Dude, that's huge.
should I walk up a little more?
Bring him up, good. Bring him.
Steve, if he decides to run.
Yep, I just want to get the weight. I just wanted to try and get the weight.
Holy cow. Look at the size of that fish.
I know, man.
Oh my God, dude.
Watch your head.
Yeah.
That weight.
Go down.
Go down. Holy cow. It's only
Let's get caught on that.
it's only 4 minutes.
Yep.
That's crazy. Felt like 20.
4 minutes of pain.
Right?
With help.
With help, Chad. I give it to you, guy. I definitely give it to you. Oh my God, dude. Woo! So this is an amberjack, right?
Get much better than that.
And they're delicious, correct? Tasty enough.
You can eat them.
Oh my God, dude.
So if you put your one hand in right there,
Right there. Look at that. Oh my God, dude, that's heavy.
that's a good 45 pounder.
All right, we got our new species of the day. Doing a little sabike bait catching. Got a vermilion snapper. Look at that. That is a beautiful fish, man. That is a gorgeous looking fish. This guy goes back in the drink though. There we go. Oh God damn. Shit.
Do you have another one of those?
Here we go.
Another one on.
Oh God. Oh God damn. Yeah. Oh man, we're doubled up over here.
Get that fish up. Get that fish up.
Oh, they could have tanked lines, yeah. There you go. You okay, bud?
Yeah.
Just gonna have the horse in, so you can hear the-
Yeah.
There you go.
Damn,
Oh,
dude.
He's definitely there.
Yeah.
You might have
Right, keep reeling.
You might have a shark.
He's got to come back and work for me.
Yep, there it is. Look at that son of a gun.
Holy cow.
Jeez.
Look at that. Look at that. He's down there. Shark on, baby.
Man, that's a
Dude,
nice.
that's awesome.
You got video?
Yeah. Yeah, you can snip it or whatever you need to do. Holy cow, look at
You don't want to
that.
hold it?
You
You don't want to
take a
jump in
picture?
and you don't want to jump in and
My fat ass,
There it goes, just like that.
I barely held that amberjack. Holy cow, that was awesome, dude.
You wore him out.
Nice. Thank
What do
you.
you got?
That's
Good job,
a
brother.
Dude, that was sick, man. That was awesome. Ooh, here we go. Kingfish. Come on, guy.
Flat swivel, you don't want to reel that metal up into the guide. One more circle. You lift it up just a fuzz more.
There he is. There's the kingfish. Look at that. What do we got here?
So when he does that, you want to be looking up at it.
There it is. Nice. Another kingfish, baby.
So did you want the skin on these? Are you guys gonna grill them, or are you guys gonna do fried, or?
I fry.
Yeah, you can go skin off. It's cool. Oh man, yeah, that is a pretty white meat. It's not super
So
dark.
it's easy to go down like this.
Yeah, right on.
And you don't
Get
want
it in
to go
chunks.
right on the back part.
Is that
because
because
it's got
you?
a bloodline.
Okay.
So you see how it takes that
Yep.
bloodline right off?
Nice. Very cool.
Fried, just noticed.
Oh, dude, those look good.
I had a good time.
Yeah, this was awesome, man.
I figured you wanted to catch some big fish. That's why I phoned you.
Yeah.
Jordan, can we get some info?
Yeah, man. Captain J Wall.
Captain J Wall.
772-307-6800.
On Instagram? Is that Instagram?
At Captain J Wall. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
nice.
you guys hit me up on there. My phone number was just like below. I got a business card, I believe, in the wallet if you want to take it.
Yeah, I will. I will. Dude, thanks so much, man.
Yeah, man.
This was fucking awesome, dude. Big fish. If you look at this guy's Instagram, because we did last night, and it was a lot of big fish and a lot of tasty fish, man. It was sick.
Oh yeah.
Thank
Catch
you.
'em up.
And we proved it today. So.